This is hands down the best lip balm I've ever made. It's rich, deeply moisturizing, and works wonders not just on lips, but also on cuticles, dry elbows, and even cracked heels. Let me show you exactly how I make it and why I choose each ingredient. Hey everyone, it's Nat. Today I'm making my own all-natural lip balm, and I'll show you how you can do it too. I've been making my lip balms for over 10 years, and I love how easy it is to experiment with ingredients. It's super simple, and you only need a few key ingredients. Plus, I love that I can control exactly what goes into it. Before we start melting everything together, let's talk about the ingredients I'm gonna use today and why I love them. Sweet almond oil, lightweight yet deeply nourishing. It's packed with vitamin E, which helps keep skin soft and hydrated without feeling greasy. Cocoa butter, rich and creamy. It helps create a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Plus, it has a naturally delicious scent, just like chocolate. Beeswax. This gives the balm its structure, and it helps seal in hydration. It also provides a slight natural gloss. And my secret weapon, lanolin. It's incredibly effective at locking in moisture and keeping lips soft for hours. And you may wonder, but that's not vegan. But don't forget that lanolin is a byproduct of the wool industry, extracted from sheep's wool after shearing. So no animals are harmed in the process. You can skip it, but I swear it makes a huge difference. And if you have lanolin allergy, of course you're gonna leave it out, but if you can use it, it's a game changer. Okay, let's get to work.
First, I'm heating up water, just a bit to cover the bottom of my dish. You don't want the water to boil, you just want it warm enough to gently melt our ingredients. Now, I'm placing my glass measuring cup inside the pan. First, I'm adding about 2.5 teaspoons of almond oil. Then 2 teaspoons of beeswax. Next, 2 teaspoons of cocoa butter. And lastly, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lanolin. I'm stirring everything together until it completely melts and combines into a smooth mixture. This part doesn't take long, just a few minutes. Once everything is melted and combined, I quickly pour it into my containers. I have 3 empty lipstick tubes and 2 small plastic jars, each about 5 milliliters. You can find similar ones online on Amazon or eBay. The lip balm sets pretty fast. Just after 5 minutes, mine were ready. Now let's check if they work. Just like regular lipstick, I can twist it up and down. And it's super creamy. Perfect.
I always keep my extra batch in the fridge. Since this is an all-natural product, the shelf life isn't super long, especially if you keep it in warm places. I'm not exactly sure how long it lasts, but I use lip balms all the time, so they never last long enough to expire. Another great thing, this isn't just for lips. I use my homemade lip balm on my cuticles and even dry patches on my face, on my body. You can use it on your feet, your elbows. It really works wonders. That's it. Super simple, right? Plus, they make amazing gifts for family and friends. If you try this out, let me know how it goes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIYs. See you next time!